Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a microSD card at the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, so what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that is part of the box. So in the little white box here on the top of the white box and if you open it here, you should find the SIM ejection tool if you have put it back as you entered the SIM card. Okay, this is how it looks like. If you don't have it anymore, you could use also, by the way, the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So in the first positions, you will have the tiny SIM cards. They jump out, don't worry, so just put them in again. And yeah, you can here enter at the last position the microSD card. So by the way, you can use also just one SIM card to use a microSD card, that's no problem. So it has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are below. Okay, and then after you put back your construction carefully in the phone that nothing jumps out. Shake a bit if they don't want really, and be sure that's well closed, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.